Hello, welcome back to my channel Auto Xpert. The 2025 Audi A8 60 TFSI is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology in a full-size premium sedan. Designed for those who appreciate elegance and power in equal measure, this flagship model from Audi delivers a refined driving experience with a strong performance edge. Under the hood, it features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing around 453 horsepower and 487 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system. This setup ensures smooth power delivery, confident handling, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 4.5 seconds. The exterior design of the 2025 A8 remains sleek and sophisticated with a bold single-frame grille, matrix LED headlights, and clean flowing lines that give it a commanding presence on the road. It strikes a perfect balance between executive elegance and subtle sportiness. The alloy wheels, chrome accents, and updated light signatures front and rear further elevate its modern premium look. Step inside and the A8 offers a first-class experience with every detail focused on comfort and innovation. The cabin features high-end materials like Valcona leather, real wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting. Rear seat passengers enjoy limo-like comfort with optional executive seating, complete with massage, recline, and climate functions. The dashboard houses dual touchscreen displays for infotainment and climate controls, along with a fully digital virtual cockpit that keeps essential information front and center. In terms of tech and features, the 2025 A8 is packed with the latest Audi innovations, including adaptive air suspension, advanced driver assistance systems, a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, and seamless smartphone integration. It also comes with predictive active suspension for even smoother rides and precision handling. The 2025 Audi A8 60 TFSI is a statement of luxury and performance, ideal for those who expect the best in every drive. For more in-depth reviews, premium car features, and expert insights into the latest automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to Auto Xpert. Your support helps us continue bringing the best car content directly to you.